Hey guys, Jihan here with Myheshwara, my brother. We're on the plane now back to Penang from Subang. Our flight was delayed, so yeah, we're on our way back. So regards to family, friends, and check out the family members. Everybody's asleep and angry with us because we made so much noise today, so yeah. Don't blame me for being awesome. One long night, people. One long night. I tell you, look what he did to Myheshwara. Just look what he did to him. Have you ever seen that fella that quiet? Have you seen that fella that quiet? The world itself is upside down. I tell you, it's upside down. Bloody hell, no more water also. God, it's worse than we thought. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. So guys, we are halfway in the flight and I think we are about to reach in another 20 minutes or something. Yeah, it's really late and look at this guy, he's playing with some wire. What is headset? Oh, it's his headphones and he tangled. No, it's already untangled already. Never mind. Anyway, say hi to the crew. What up, people? What up? Oh yo, what up? What up? What up? Oh, I feel so Malaysian right now. Oh wait, I am Malaysian.
He's an idiot.
I really am. People.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, kita sedang mengalami keadaan cuaca yang kurang baik. Pastikan
Hashtag the stupid song.
They're changing the lyrics now. For what? For what now they're changing? Think what? They're so smart, is it? So today we actually took part in the mind competitions where we were forced to memorize like 240 random words and how many hundred numbers? Forget already.
Okay.
And then they made us memorize events, dates like Microsoft releasing new applications and what date. I don't actually remember. Which is ironic because we actually went for a memory competition. Wait a minute. It actually makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, it actually does make a lot of sense.
Yeah, so Myheshwara, please explain to the people what we had to go through in order to pass the competition.
So let's see. Actually, we didn't really pass the competition. I personally skipped 2 rounds because I hate memorizing. The first round was crap for me because I had.
And with that, we add today's talk show. Seeming as he talks bullshit. I'm sorry.
We go back to him now.
Hey people, we have finally landed. It's like 11, I think. Yeah. Say hi, Myheshwara.
Hello.
Yay! We are back in Penang, hometown. I'm so sleepy. Good night.